Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply transfer money from Trust Wallet to Cash App. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, it's a very easy process, so make sure to watch the video till the end, and here we go. First thing first, get yourself in Cash App and get signed in. Once you have done that, you're going to go ahead and get yourself a Trust Wallet app as well and get verified and signed in. Once you're done and signed in both of the apps, you can simply go ahead, open up your Cash App, and now from the home screen you're simply going to go to the option of a Bitcoin tile, where you will go ahead and select the option of deposit Bitcoin. Then you simply have to go through the option of, what you're going to do is, once you have done the deposit Bitcoin, you're going to simply copy the Cash App Bitcoin address that you have. Simply going to go ahead, paste the address over there, and you're going to confirm the withdrawal. Once you have confirmed that, you will be able to transfer the Bitcoin directly to your Cash App from Trust Wallet like that. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.